Pinokio versus LM Studio. Which AI tool wins? Choosing the right AI tool can completely change how you enhance your creative projects without the hassle of complex interfaces. Let's explore both options briefly. Pinokio and LM Studio are two powerful AI tools designed for creators. The core difference lies in their focus. Pinokio emphasizes user-friendly design and accessibility, while LM Studio offers advanced features for more experienced users. Pinokio is an intuitive AI tool designed to streamline your creative workflow. It utilizes advanced algorithms to assist in various tasks such as content generation and image creation. Users benefit from its straightforward interface, making it ideal for beginners or those who prefer simplicity. The strengths of Pinokio include its ease of use, quick setup, and responsive customer support. However, it may lack some advanced features that power users might seek. Ideal users are content creators, marketers, and anyone looking for a hassle-free AA experience to enhance their projects without diving into complex functionalities. LM Studio is a robust AI platform designed for experienced users who require advanced features and customization options. It supports a wide range of functionalities, including deep learning models and extensive data manipulation capabilities. Strengths of LM Studio include its powerful tools for developers, extensive documentation, and flexibility in project design. However, its complexity may be overwhelming for beginners. Ideal users are developers, data scientists, and professionals looking for a comprehensive AI solution that allows for deeper control and customization in their creative processes. When comparing Pinokio or LM Studio, consider your specific needs. For instance, if you're a beginner looking to generate content quickly and efficiently, Pinokio's user-friendly interface is a major advantage. On the other hand, if you're a developer needing advanced features and customization, LM Studio's capabilities will serve you better. In a scenario where a marketer needs to create engaging social media content, Pinokio would allow for quick output without the steep learning curve. Alternatively, a software developer working on complex AI models would benefit from LM Studio's extensive tools and flexibility despite its steeper learning curve. For those seeking a straightforward, efficient AI tool, Pinokio is the clear choice, especially for beginners and casual users. If you are an experienced user looking for advanced features and customization, LM Studio is the better option. Both tools excel in their own right, so choose based on your level of expertise and project requirements.